inside London's Victorian tunnels beneath the Thames. A tunnel collapses, freezing water explodes through the walls, and men run for their lives beneath a river that could swallow them whole. Inside London's Victorian tunnels beneath the Thames reveals a world built in darkness and risk. And the #1 tunnel didn't just change London, it changed engineering forever. The Thames Tunnel that changed the world. Beneath the river lies the groundbreaking Thames Tunnel, the first successful tunnel ever built under a navigable river. Designed by Marc Isambard Brunel and his son Isambard Kingdom Brunel, it pushed Victorian engineering to its absolute limit. Floods were constant. In 1828, a major breach sent water crashing through the tunnel face, trapping workers in near-total darkness. Isambard himself was injured during one of these disasters, forced to escape as the tunnel filled rapidly. The project stalled for years, draining money and morale before finally opening in 1843. Inside, gas lamps once lit a wide brick passage where Londoners paid to walk beneath the Thames. A surreal experience at the time. Today, it forms part of the London Overground network, still carrying trains through the same brick-lined tunnel. But this wasn't the only daring Victorian attempt beneath the river. The Tower subway's short-lived experiment. Just downstream stands another innovation, the Tower subway, opened in 1870 near Tower Bridge. Unlike the Thames Tunnel, this was one of the first deep-level tunnels, dug using a circular shield and lined with iron segments. It began as a small, cable-hauled railway, carrying passengers in a single narrow carriage beneath the river. But the system proved unreliable and closed within months. Soon after, it reopened as a pedestrian tunnel where people paid a small toll to walk under the Thames. Picture the moment: dim gaslight, curved iron walls, and the constant awareness of the river pressing overhead. Though it closed to the public by the late 19th century, the tunnel still exists today, hidden and largely forgotten. And yet, even deeper beneath London, the story continues. The Blackwall Tunnel's industrial legacy. Further east, the Blackwall Tunnel tells a different Victorian story, one of expansion and industry. Construction began in the 1890s to connect the growing docks of East London with the south side of the river. Workers faced dangerous conditions, tunnelling through unstable ground beneath the Thames. Compressed air was used to keep water out, but it came with serious risks, including pressure-related illness among workers. Despite this, the tunnel opened in 1897, becoming one of the earliest road tunnels under the river. Unlike earlier tunnels meant for walking or experimentation, Blackwall was built for the future, designed to carry vehicles and support a rapidly growing city. Today, it remains a vital crossing, still echoing with the ambition of Victorian London. Inside London's Victorian tunnels beneath the Thames reveals bold ideas carved into darkness. These tunnels still exist beneath your feet, and once you know they're there, the city never feels the same. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.